What is going on, guys? Today we're working on the Miata again. We're replacing this. I'm missing it over here. And this was a total pain in the ass to find. Lena?
Yeah.
Where are they? By her car. 4.6A and a 4.6B is what you need. That's left and right side. And then this long snake, 35B. So these will replace that. Oh, she's already going to town.
I'm sorry. Did you want to record it?
Oh, that's why I brought the camera out. Look, we're recording right now. So I guess we're just peeling it off. Look at our great Bondo job there.
Hey, shut up. This whole chunk was missing, like that much. So, excuse me.
Yeah, it was like all cracked over here. So we good. We should probably take the hardtop off. Peel it off.
Don't look, guys.
Okay, and then these little caps at the end just
Look,
come
just pull it off.
right out. That's trash. That's a $17 part.
Here they are in all their Japanese glory.
That thing's taller than you, huh?
Oh my god, yeah. It's like two of me.
All right, let's throw this on. No, wait. Don't put that on yet.
Why?
Just lay it in because this should go over this piece.
Oh.
Okay?
Got it.
All right, this was actually more of a pain in the ass than we thought it would be. I mean, not really, but
Took like 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah. But you just slide it on. The only hard part is getting it around this. Alina, what was your technique for that?
There's like, on the bottom side, there's like a cutout. So that way it's thinner over here. But when you push it down, I took a pick and I just like hooked it on and pulled it down so that way it slips in.
And it looks way better now. Let's start taking this off. That's so satisfying.
You're supposed to do it on the car.
Uh-oh. While you fish that out, I'll peel the other side.
Wow, I get to do the like...
Yeah. Down first.
I'm just trying to make this thing tighter. There we go. That looks so much better with the new little tab on it. That looks way fresher. Ooh. Little mistakes in the wrap, but that's okay. Still looks pretty good. Way better than yeah. I couldn't have. This stuff is so brittle, it just cracks. And the new stuff was so much nicer. It was like fresh rubber. What do you think?
I like it. What is going on, guys? If you made it to this far in the video, it actually ended up not being very long, but I'm currently editing it right now and I noticed I never filmed an outro. I just want to say thank you guys so much for following and all the support. It really means a lot to us. If you could go down below, hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment what you like, what you didn't like, let us know how we're doing. It really helps out the channel. We got this iMac a couple days ago. Hopefully this is going to help us improve our videos. I just want to say thank you so much. It really means a lot, even if it is 50 or 100 people that have watched our videos. We do it because we like to do it, and seeing other people enjoy it too, it gives us a reason to stay motivated and keep going. So thank you guys for that. Next video coming up will be a short shifter install. So I'll do that right after this. Again, thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.